Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Jam gift sets is probably one of the most delightful presents you can give, perfect for any occasion. These sets bring a touch of sweetness that food lovers will adore. Whether it's a housewarming, a holiday, or just a simple gesture, a well-curated jam and jelly gift set can make a charming addition to breakfast tables and elevate any culinary experience. Number 5. Stonewall Kitchen 4-Piece Favorite Jam Collection. This collection includes 4 delicious jams. They are perfect for spreading on your favorite breakfast items or using as a glaze for your meat dishes. The collection includes raspberry peach champagne jam, sour cherry jam, strawberry jam, and wild Maine blueberry jam. Each jar is bursting with sun-ripened fruit. These jams transform a simple PB&J into a delectable treat. Share them with a friend over morning coffee and enjoy your day. Stonewall Kitchen offers award-winning gourmet food and home goods. The brand is loved around the world and includes many other brands. It all started in 1991. The company now offers expertly made products with premium ingredients. They are the result of decades of experience. What we like. This set offers a delightful selection of 4 classic jam flavors. It's perfect for elevating your breakfast or adding a touch of sweetness to your meals. If you're looking for a versatile gift that caters to different tastes and culinary adventures, you should consider this. What people say. Delicious sour cherry preserves. The jars were packaged well and in a beautiful little gift box. I'm impressed with the variety, flavor, and presentation as well as with the reusable jars. Number 4. Bonne Maman Variety Preserves, 4-pack. These preserves are made with simple, natural ingredients and whole pieces of premium fruit. You'll love the delicious, homemade taste. It contains no high fructose corn syrup, additives, or preservatives. This ensures a natural and wholesome experience. The product is non-GMO project verified, gluten-free and kosher. It's a treat that everyone can enjoy. Spread it on toast, waffles, or enjoy it straight from the jar. It's perfect for any occasion. Made with time-honored family recipes, it nurtures little bonds of love. Treat and delight your loved ones every day with it. What we like. This variety pack is made with simple, natural ingredients, ensuring a wholesome treat. It's free from high fructose corn syrup, additives, and preservatives. If you value natural and healthy options, you should consider this. What people say. Bonne Maman always has wonderful flavor. Love the selection, size and most of all the taste. Delicious jam. Number 3. Bonne Maman Assorted Preserves Variety Pack. This variety pack from Bonne Maman is a delightful way to explore their exquisite preserves. It's a perfect sampler for yourself or a wonderful gift for someone special. Inside, you'll find 8 unique flavors, including strawberry, apricot, raspberry, and more. Each jar offers a burst of fruity goodness, perfect for any occasion. These mini jars are perfect for individual servings, ensuring freshness with every use. They are made with natural ingredients and the finest quality fruit. Bonne Maman preserves are crafted in France with care. They contain no high fructose corn syrup, artificial coloring, or preservatives, ensuring a pure and delicious taste. Experience the authentic taste of French preserves with Bonne Maman. This variety pack is a delicious way to enjoy a range of flavors. What we like. This set offers a delightful journey through 8 different flavors. The mini jars are perfect for sampling or gifting. If you enjoy exploring a wide range of flavors and appreciate gourmet quality, you should consider this. What people say. The gift set was beautifully presented. The jams and jellies were delicious and flavorful. The packaging was very attractive. Number 2. Bonne Maman Preserves Variety Pack, 5-pack. Introducing the Bonne Maman Preserves Variety Pack. This pack includes 5 different flavors, each in a convenient 1.76-ounce jar. It's perfect for trying out different tastes. These preserves are made with simple, natural ingredients. They use whole pieces of premium fruit. You can taste the delicious homemade flavor. Bonne Maman preserves contain no high fructose corn syrup, additives, or preservatives. It's also non-GMO project verified and gluten-free. It's a treat you can feel good about. Spread it on toast, waffles, or enjoy it straight from the jar. It's a versatile treat for any time of day. You'll love the taste. Bonne Maman is made with time-honored family recipes. It's designed to nurture little bonds of love, to treat and delight your loved ones every day. Enjoy this delicious treat with your family. What we like. This sampler pack is made with simple, natural ingredients, ensuring a wholesome treat. It's free from high fructose corn syrup, additives, and preservatives. If you value natural and healthy options, you should consider this. What people say. The flavors are awesome and no waste. Great variety of fruit spreads in cute little containers. You can actually taste the fruit. Number 1. Pioneer Valley Gourmet Jam and Jelly Sampler Gift Set. This boxed assortment features 8 unique jams and jellies. These small jars are perfect for sampling, party favors, or sharing with friends. Each jar contains a delightful amount of jam. The set includes a variety of flavors, chosen at random. You might find apricot pineapple, black raspberry, or even peach cobbler. It's a delightful surprise with every taste. Proudly made in the USA, this jam uses only the ripest fruits. It showcases the sweet flavors and true colors of the fruits. It contains no corn syrup, preservatives, or artificial flavors. The texture is just right, firm enough to hold its shape but soft enough to spread easily. It will never separate, run, or become too thick. It's perfect for any bread. This jam is homemade by hand in small batches using traditional family recipes. It's the ultra-premium real fruit jam that discerning buyers demand. You will taste the difference. What we like. This set features 8 unique jam and jelly flavors, perfect for sampling. Made in the USA with the ripest fruits and no artificial additives. If you are looking for a gift with a wide variety of flavors and made with quality ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect size for a me. I love the variety. Quality is excellent. Packaged and delivered with care. All of the flavors sound delicious. They include familiar flavors as well as slightly more exotic flavors. The little jars are cute and perfect for sampling. You get a couple tablespoons of jam in each jar. They were perfect for a family get-together for Christmas because of the variety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.